Did you know most drivers are wasting money on big-name tires that don't even crack 40,000 miles? Meanwhile, cheaper brands are quietly pushing past 70,000 with fewer failures, and nobody talks about it. Today, we're exposing 13 underrated tire brands that outlast the expensive ones, backed by real tests, real numbers, and long-term wear data. Stay with me because the tire in our top spot shocks even veteran mechanics. Let's get to it. Number 13. We start with a South Korean brand that's been in the industry since 1960, Kamho Tire. They grew from a tiny operation making 20 tires a day to a global manufacturer with facilities in the US, China, and Vietnam. That's a lot of experience. What makes them stand out isn't just history. It's their balance of performance, longevity, and price. Some of their all-season models have been reported to last past 70,000 miles, even though they cost a fraction of premium brands. Long-term tests confirm steady treadwear, and Consumer Reports has consistently noted strong value ratings on several Kumho models. They also bring a motorsports pedigree to the table, which means better handling and resistance to early wear. Major automakers like BMW and Mercedes trust Kumho as original equipment, which says a lot. Number 12. We move to a Japanese-born brand that's been quietly surprising drivers since 1983, Falcon. The brand had a rocky past with some recalls, but they've turned that reputation around completely. Modern Falcon tires are a different story, and long-term owner reports show they last far longer than many premium competitors. Falcon's motorsports background in Formula Drift and off-road racing gives them an edge. Their Wild Peak line is a standout for off-road toughness and highway driving, and many models now come with tread-life warranties up to 80,000 miles. JD Power even ranked Falcon number 1 for truck and utility vehicle satisfaction in 2024. Their advanced tech improves grip and reduces rolling resistance, helping the tires last longer. Number 11. An American brand that started in 1915, General Tire. Back then, Akron, Ohio was packed with tire makers, but almost all died out. General is still here, and that says something about their durability. Today they're owned by Continental, which raised their quality even higher. General has a long history of innovation, creating designs that led to tougher, longer-lasting tires. Their grabber line is the star for trucks and SUVs, using technology to fight cuts, chips, and early wear. The Altimax RT43 has even outperformed some Michelin models in certain tests, wearing evenly and staying quiet as the miles pile up. General delivers strong performance for a mid-range price, and many drivers say they get far more life than expected. Before we move on, hit like if you're finding this helpful, share it with someone who's about to buy new tires, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this list, because the top 3 will change where you buy tires forever. Number 10. Toyo. In 2013, Toyo faced a massive fine for a price-fixing conspiracy. It wasn't about their tires, but it still surprised a lot of people because the tires themselves have a long track record of lasting far longer than pricey competitors. Toyo began in 1945 and now sells tires in over 100 countries. Their focus is simple: make tough, long-lasting tires that handle real-world abuse. The open country line is the star for trucks and SUVs, holding up on gravel and dirt without wearing down too fast. Toyo tests its ideas in brutal events like the Baja 1000, which builds compounds that keep their grip even after long, hot summers. They're also pushing towards sustainability, showing a prototype built with 91% sustainable content. And now for number 9. Cooper Tire. For a company founded in 1914, Cooper stayed independent for more than a century while bigger names disappeared. That kind of survival happens when your tires last. Cooper built its name on durability, and many drivers trust them because they hold up without wearing out fast. Their adaptive traction tech helps the tread bite into wet and dry roads, and snow groove edges give extra grip in winter. These features help the tire wear evenly for a longer life. The Discoverer AT3 XLT is a standout, with owners often reporting long tread life even with towing or off-road use. Cooper keeps prices lower than premium brands, which is why so many drivers say they give more miles per dollar. And now we're at number 8, Yokohama. This is a brand most people have heard of, but very few realize just how tough their tires really are. Yokohama is a giant in racing circles, but what is shocking is how many of their everyday tires outlast more expensive competitors on normal roads. Founded way back in 1917, they built their reputation on grip and control. But the big surprise for drivers is how long those tires hold that grip before the tread finally gives up. Long-term tests consistently show Yokohama tires maintaining solid traction deep into their lifespan, which is pretty rare in this price range. So how do they do it? Yokohama blends racing technology with daily driver durability. Their rubber compounds stay stable in high heat, which helps the tread resist wearing down too quickly. This comes from decades of hard work in motorsports, especially endurance racing where tires take a beating for hours on end. The Advan line is their performance superstar, offering sharp steering and strong wet control for spirited drivers. For the rest of us, the Avid and Geolandar lines do the heavy lifting. Avid models are popular for sedans and crossovers because they ride smooth and last a long time. The Geolandar tires are fantastic on SUVs and trucks, especially in rough weather. Yokohama is also pushing sustainability with its orange oil compounds, which make the rubber flexible without sacrificing tread life. It's a perfect sweet spot where price, longevity, and performance all meet. Next up is Hankook. This is a brand that used to be seen as mid-range but now stands shoulder to shoulder with global giants. The surprising part? Hankook tires often last longer than premium models that cost way more. Owner reports and strong ratings from places like Consumer Reports all point to the same thing: steady wear, strong grip, and a price that makes you question why you ever paid more. Hankook has been around since 1941 and has poured resources into high-tech engineering. Their control technology system focuses on lowering rolling resistance while improving tread strength, which is why their tires stay quiet and smooth even near the end of their life. Their top models really prove this. The Ventus line delivers performance grip without burning through tread. The Kinergy All-Season line is a commuter favorite for its long mileage, and the Dynapro series for trucks is known for handling rough roads without getting chewed up. And that brings us to Sumitomo. This company has roots stretching back over 400 years, and their modern tire division is all about stability, strength, and long tread life. Drivers often describe Sumitomo tires as surprisingly solid, especially for the price. They use rigid tread blocks and advanced rubber compounds that help the tires wear down slowly and evenly. This is a big reason many owners report getting more miles than they ever expected. Their tires also stay incredibly stable at highway speeds, even as the tread starts to age. Wet performance is another strong point, with grooves designed to channel water away and keep you planted in the rain. Popular lines like the HTR enhance stability for sporty sedans, while the Encounter series gives SUVs and trucks dependable traction with a long lifespan. Now we're cracking into the top 5 brands known for serious longevity. At number 5 we have Firestone. This is one of the oldest and most recognizable tire brands in America. Founded in 1900, it became famous for putting durable tires on early Ford vehicles. Today, Firestone is owned by Bridgestone, but the brand still focuses on long-lasting, hard-working tires for everyday drivers. Firestone is known for strong rubber compounds, a steady road feel, and reliable grip. Their tread designs help the tires stay stable at highway speeds, and many drivers report that Firestone models wear down slowly and evenly. One of their most popular lines is the Firestone Destination series, built for SUVs and trucks. And the Firehawk line is well known for giving sporty cars better cornering without a huge price tag. Firestone's biggest appeal is its value, offering dependable performance and long tread life. At number 4 is Laufen. This is a budget-friendly brand owned by Hankook, designed for drivers who want solid performance without the premium price. Laufen uses Hankook's modern manufacturing, so even as a value brand, it offers dependable quality. Laufen tires are great for everyday driving, giving good grip on dry and wet roads with a smooth, quiet feel on the highway. Their product lines are straightforward. The G-Fit tires are for daily commuters who want a quiet ride, while the X-Fit series serves SUVs and crossovers. There are a few downsides. Some models aren't great in heavy snow, and you might hear more road noise. But for the price, Laufen is an incredible value, backed by a major manufacturer. And finally, at number 3, we have Nexen. This brand delivers quality, comfort, and durability at a price far lower than premium competitors. Founded in 1942, the name Nexen actually means next century, showing their commitment to innovation. Drivers often praise the quiet ride, steady grip, and long tread life. A huge sign of Nexen's quality is its role as an original equipment supplier to major automakers like Volkswagen, BMW, Porsche, and even Ram. This means Nexen's products meet the strict safety and performance standards of these companies. Their tires usually cost 20 to 40% less than premium brands, making them an amazing value. While some models struggle in extreme winter conditions for the price, Nexen delivers impressive reliability and comfort, easily earning its spot in our top 3. And coming in at number 2, we have GT Radial. This is the flagship brand of GT Tire, a major global player from Singapore that's been around since 1951. Their tires are sold in over 130 countries, and they have modern factories and research centers worldwide. One of the biggest signs of GT Radial's quality is its list of original equipment partnerships. Big names like Citroën, Peugeot, and Dacia use GT Radial tires straight from the factory. Even Volkswagen has fitted them on popular models like the Tiguan and Atlas. Plus, the brand is the official race tire for the 2025 Subaru BRZ Super Series, proving it can handle high performance demands, not just your daily commute. Drivers really appreciate how GT Radial balances value and performance. Many of their models offer great grip in both dry and wet conditions, a comfortable ride, and solid tread life. They also focus on fuel efficiency by using eco-friendly rubber compounds that lower rolling resistance. And they're ahead of the curve with tires designed specifically for electric vehicles. These EV-ready tires reduce road noise, handle that instant torque, and help improve battery range. Their product range is huge. You've got the Champiro line for everyday cars, the AT and Mount Adventure models for SUVs and trucks needing strong off-road traction, and even dependable commercial and winter tires. And now, taking the top spot, the best of the underrated bunch, hands down. This brand has been around since 1892, yet it's still priced right in the middle, delivering seriously strong performance without the premium cost. What makes Uniroyal stand out is its real-world wet weather safety, which rivals much more expensive tires. Uniroyal built its reputation as the rain tire, and it still lives up to that name. Their Rainsport and Rainsport lines use something called shark skin technology, inspired by how a shark's skin reduces water turbulence. This design evacuates water faster and dramatically lowers the risk of aquaplaning on soaked roads. Beyond the rain, Uniroyal makes dependable all-season tires that handle dry roads, wet conditions, and even light snow with confidence. Models like the All-Season Expert 3 and All-Season Max offer long tread life, stable braking, and a quiet ride, so you don't feel forced to pay a premium for quality. The brand is backed by 2 global leaders, Michelin in North America and Continental in Europe, which keeps their standards high while their prices stay fair. You get durability, real safety in bad weather, and great value all in one package. While other brands chase flashy marketing, Uniroyal quietly delivers the best balance of safety, longevity, and cost. For drivers who want the strongest all-around tire without paying top-tier money, Uniroyal is the clear #1 pick. By the way, many drivers think they know all about tire care, but some of the most dangerous and costly mistakes come from old myths that just refuse to die. If you want to protect your car and your wallet, you'll want to see our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.